If you have an interview ahead, are planning to switch your job, or are fresher looking for opportunities in data analytics, database management, or software development, then this video is for you. In today's video, we will cover one of the most important topics asked in Power BI interviews, which is Power Query questions. Power Query helps analysts clean, transform, and prepare raw data before building reports and dashboards. Companies expect candidates to understand data transformation because real business data is never clean. Whether you are applying for data analyst, business intelligence, or reporting roles, these concepts will help you confidently answer interview questions with practical understanding. For example, businesses often import sales data from Excel, remove blank values, and merge multiple datasets before analysis. Let's hop on to the topic in detail. Power Query is a built-in ETL tool in Power BI used to extract, transform, and load data from different sources. It helps analysts clean and organize data before visualization. Companies use Power Query because raw business data often contains duplicates, missing values, inconsistent formatting, and unnecessary columns. In interviews, recruiters ask this question to check whether candidates understand the data preparation process. For example, a company may import customer data from Excel, remove duplicate entries, and convert date formats into a standard structure before creating reports. The Power Query process mainly involves connecting to a data source, transforming the data, and loading it into Power BI. This workflow is important because organizations depend on accurate and clean data for decision-making. Interviewers ask this question to test whether candidates understand the complete data flow. In business environments, analysts import data from Excel, databases, APIs, or cloud services, clean unnecessary records, and then load the final dataset into dashboards for reporting purposes. For example, a sales dataset may contain empty rows which are filtered before loading into the final report. One of the most common interview questions is the difference between Power Query and DAX. Power Query is mainly used for cleaning and transforming data before it enters the data model, while DAX is used for calculations and analytics after the data is loaded. Businesses use both together for efficient reporting. Interviewers ask this question to check whether candidates know where data transformation ends and data analysis begins. For example, Power Query can remove null values from a sales table, while DAX can calculate total profit margins for dashboard KPIs. M-language is the scripting language used behind Power Query transformations. Whenever users perform transformations in Power Query, M-code is automatically generated in the background. Companies use M-language for advanced transformation logic and automation. Interviewers ask this question to evaluate technical understanding beyond drag and drop operations. For example, analysts can create custom columns, merge text fields, or apply conditional logic directly through M-language scripts in Power Query. Query folding is an important Power Query concept, where transformations are pushed back to the original data source instead of processing inside Power BI. This improves report performance and reduces system load. Companies handling large databases rely heavily on query folding for efficient analytics. Interviewers ask this question to check whether candidates understand performance optimization. For example, if a SQL database contains millions of records, Power Query can filter only required rows at the source before importing the data into Power BI. Handling missing values is a very common task in Power Query because business data is rarely perfect. Power Query provides options like replacing null values, removing empty rows, and filling missing data automatically. Organizations use these techniques to maintain accurate reporting and forecasting. Interviewers ask this question to check practical data cleaning skills. For example, analysts often replace missing sales amounts with zero or fill blank region names using previous records before creating dashboards. Merge and append are two important Power Query operations. Merge is used to combine tables based on common columns, while append stacks tables with similar structures. Businesses use these features when working with multiple files or systems. Interviewers ask this question because data integration is a key analyst responsibility. For example, A company may merge customer information with order data or append monthly sales files into one consolidated dataset for yearly reporting. Data refresh is another important interview topic in Power BI. Power Query allows reports to refresh automatically so dashboards always display updated information. Companies rely on scheduled refresh for real-time business monitoring and decision-making. Recruiters ask this question to test understanding of automation and connectivity. For example, a retail company may schedule daily sales dashboards to refresh automatically from a cloud database every morning before management reviews performance. Many Power BI interviews focus on practical Power Query concepts rather than theory alone. Recruiters commonly ask questions related to query folding, merge versus append operations, language, and performance optimization techniques. Businesses need analysts who can handle large datasets efficiently. Candidates who explain concepts with practical examples stand out during interviews. For example, removing unnecessary columns and filtering records early can significantly improve Power BI performance for large sales datasets. Following best practices in Power Query helps improve performance, maintainability, and reporting accuracy. Companies expect analysts to build efficient data models and optimized workflows. Interviewers ask about best practices to evaluate real-world experience. Analysts should remove unnecessary columns early, assign correct data types, and apply filters before loading datasets. For example, converting sales values into decimal format and filtering inactive customers improves dashboard reliability and performance. To crack Power BI interviews, focus on practical understanding instead of memorizing theory. Companies prefer candidates who can solve real business problems using Power Query. Practice data cleaning, transformation, merging, and automation regularly. Build projects like HR dashboards, sales reports, and customer analytics to strengthen your portfolio and confidence. If this video added value to your life, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends.